Most people fight cravings instead of feeding them right. Here is my healthy snack list. The list includes dark chocolate, cat fruits, air pop popcorn, watermelon chia pudding, hard-boiled eggs, roasted potato, and an apple with a cheesesteak. This list is built around three reasons. The first reason is the sweet craving crusher. A real study gave people 100 grams of dark chocolate versus milk chocolate matched for calories. The dark chocolate group's desire to eat something sweet stayed significantly lower all day, and they ate 17% less at their next meal, an effect tied specifically to the cocoa content. I prefer chocolate with 95%, 86%, and 72% cocoa content. I sometimes pair it with cat fruits, which contain mostly water, so it satisfies the same craving without many added calories. The second reason is the volume cans. Air pop popcorn is mostly air. 3 cups for under 100 calories, so you get real volume before real calories. Chia pudding works the same way. Chia seeds absorb 10 to 12 times their weight in a liquid, so a spoonful turns into a full bowl with a high fiber content. To make my watermelon chia pudding, I activate 2 tablespoons of chia seeds with a quarter cup of plain water and mix well. I then stir in a quarter cup of milk and a tablespoon of Greek yogurt. I let it sit overnight, ideally, or for about 4 hours before adding the watermelon chunks. I think the taste is amazing. The third reason is sustained energy. Boiled potatoes score 323% on a validated satiety index, the single most filling food out of 38 tested, using white bread as the 100% baseline. Eggs score 150% on the same index, and a separate study found an egg breakfast led to about 14.5% less food eaten 4 hours later compared to an identical calorie cereal breakfast. The apple and cheesesteak pair serves as a quick protein and fiber source. The apple can also be paired with peanut butter. So, these are the 3 real reasons why I eat these snacks. Dark chocolate and fruits kept the sweet craving directly. Add pop popcorn and chia pudding add volume, so you're full on fewer calories. And eggs, potato, and apple with a cheesesteak or peanut butter gives you protein and satiety that actually holds. Screenshot this summary guide for easy reference. None of this means every snack needs to be optimized forever. Pick snacks that do one of 3 jobs: curb the craving directly, add volume, or hold you with real protein, and build the rest of your day around that. Subscribe if you want more of this. Thank you.